Hi, Matrician. I spotted a few things on your Amazon listing that could be costing your sales right now. So let's take a closer look for your product, which is the antidiarrheal with prebiotics. Now, first, congrats on your 4.2 star rating. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. I'm Kim. I'm a business development representative from My Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. So, first, let's talk about traffic. Now, what really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Using our tool and looking at your distribution here, I could see that you are organically indexing for 800 keywords and you are supporting that with around 900 paid keywords. This can still be improved as there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing for here, and we usually recommend a golden ratio of 1 is to 2 here, which is 1 paid for every 2 organic to index more better. You're leaning a bit low on the organic side, and this is the reason why you are not indexing better. Now, you can also check out this word cloud here below. These are the most important keywords for your listing, and we could share this export for free if you will book a call with us today. Going down here, you will find your highest search keyword in your own category. So right now, we're looking at the biggest traffic opportunities here for your product. Now, for the keyword phrase, which is anti-diarrheal pills with 31,000 searches, good job bidding on this keyword. You are ranking at 25. However, this is still a double-digit rank. Now, what this means is that customers have to scroll through over 25 listings before they can finally see your product, and this is limiting your exposure. For this other keyword phrase, probiotics for women, with the highest search volume of 253,000, you are not indexing here at all. So what this means is that you are not being seen here at all. So this is a missed opportunity for you, because imagine the increase in sales if customers can actually find you using the keyword phrase right over here. Now, we can help you with your keywords here. We can help you push the rankings up, ideally into a single digit number, because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Now, let me show you how big your category is on Amazon. This is just in the top 50 listing for the keyword phrase probiotics for women. There is a total revenue of $53 million, and top sellers are averaging around $930,000 per month. Now, I can see that you are not really getting your fair share over here, and there's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can help you grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. We also reviewed one of your top competitors here. This is the Cultural Pro Strength Daily Probiotics for digestive health. Now, just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products directly. There are differences when it comes to price and positioning, but what we're reviewing here is their keyword strategy. So, as you can see, they've sold over 62,000 units and have generated $1.8 million in sales. The difference comes down to their visibility, and looking at their distribution, you will see that they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords, and they are following the golden ratio, which is 1 is to 2. Now, as you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon and ultimately more sales for your product. Moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. The title and the bullet points are the best areas for indexing here. Good job utilizing and maximizing your title and your bullet points over here. Don't forget to update it regularly, though, as SEOs are not set and forget. And then for your image tag, you do have 6 images plus a video, which is good. This will definitely help boost your visibility as well. Now let's go down here below to your A plus content. Okay, good job utilizing large eye-catching images here. This is very beautiful. Let's see if you've utilized your alt text as well. Okay, you did. For your alt text, the tip that I could give you here is that you should add misspellings or Spanish terms to boost your visibility in Amazon. You also have your brand story. Okay. Now, those are just a few tips that I could share with you for today, but if you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video, and you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. Now, My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.